Hello, thank you for joining me via the Augmented Reality app. Here in the United Nations headquarters classroom, you will notice a large world map painted on the ceiling. It shows all of the continents and the oceans that cover planet Earth. Using Google Earth, we are going to do a tour of the continents and the oceans. Starting in Taiwan, we're going to zoom out a little further, and we'll notice that Taiwan is an island country in the Pacific Ocean. Taiwan is also part of the large continent of Asia. Asia is the biggest and most populated continent on Earth. Okay? So Asia is quite large, so we have to zoom out fairly far, but all of this is Asia. As we travel south from Taiwan, we'll come to the continent and country of Australia. Okay? Australia, plus all of these islands in the South Pacific, constitute the region of Oceania. Okay? As we travel east across the Indian Ocean, we will come to the large continent of Africa. Okay? So all of this is Africa. Okay? As we travel north from Africa, we get to the relatively small continent of Europe. Okay? Traveling west from Europe, across the Atlantic Ocean, we come to the two Americas. North America is made up of the three big countries of Canada, the United States, and Mexico, plus the smaller countries of Central America and the Caribbean. As we travel south, we get to the continent of South America. Okay? And our final continent is on the bottom of the planet, and this is Antarctica. Antarctica is mostly covered in snow and ice. The water that surrounds Antarctica is called the Southern Ocean. Okay? And on the opposite side of the Earth, we have our fifth and final ocean, the Arctic Ocean. Okay? Now the world is divided into two parts. There's an imaginary line that cuts across the center of the planet. It is called the equator. Okay? The equator cuts through Africa, traverses the Indian Ocean, cuts through Asia, across the Pacific Ocean, and South America. Okay? Anything north of the equator is considered the Northern Hemisphere. Okay? This is the Northern Hemisphere here. And here we can see Taiwan. Okay? This is where most people on the planet live. Okay? As we go down on the other side of the world, this is called the Southern Hemisphere. Okay? And you can see a little bit of Australia here in the map, all of Antarctica, and the tips of South America and Africa. Okay, so that concludes our journey through the continents and the oceans. I hope you learned something. Thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.